Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. So today I will show you how can you add payment method and purchase Microsoft 365 email directly from Microsoft. So recently I migrated email or defederated domain from GoDaddy control Microsoft 365 email. So we need to set up now payment method and purchase email plan from directly Microsoft. So let's do it. How can you do it from after migration? So you have to log in first admin.microsoft.com. So when you have GoDaddy control Microsoft, you cannot log in admin.microsoft.com. You can log in, but you will not get like this tenant. So after migrated, you will see like this option. So it seems like through Microsoft. Okay, so after that you have to go to billing, then you have to go to payment methods. So you have to go to now add payment methods. So after clicking add payment methods, you will see like this option. So you have to input card holder name, card number, all details, and you have to save this payment method. Okay, so after added payment methods, you have to buy email from Microsoft. So let's do it. How can you do it? So go from like this your products, or you can go from purchase service. Both are same, no problem. So if you go purchase service, then you have to click purchase from Microsoft. Okay, so you have to go to all products. You can choose any products directly from Microsoft now. So I recommend it normally business plan. So let's search here business, then it will come all business products. I recommend it. You can buy Microsoft 365 Business Basic, Business Standard, Business Premium. But I recommended Business Standard. So details. So you can choose from here. You can go trial or with no teams, or Microsoft 365 Business Standard, no teams with Microsoft 365 Copilot Business. Okay, or you can go Microsoft 365 Business Standard and Microsoft 365 Copilot Business. So you can choose any plan from here. Then if you go trial option, then you will get 25 license for 1 month. I think you will got it. If you face any problem doing this, or if you need any migration help from GoDaddy control Microsoft 365 to directly Microsoft 365, I'm happy to do it for you. Okay, you can reach out to me anytime on my email address, on my WhatsApp, everything. Thank you. Bye bye.